Since stepping down as executive director of the Sarstoon Tamash Institute for Indigenous Management, SATIIM, in August 2014, Greg Ch'oc has been pursuing a law degree at the University of the West Indies.
Yes, I have been accepted to law school. It's a personal decision that I have taken in consultation with the leaders of these communities. They have given me their trust to lead them, and it's only right that I consult with them in decisions even those that are personal to me. When I decide to go, there will be someone that will rise to the challenge to continue to honor the legacy of resistance of our ancestors.
5 years later, and he's only the second individual of Mayan ancestry to be welcomed into the legal fraternity. This morning, Ch'oc was formally called to the bar.
I feel extremely honored and privileged to be a part of the cadre of professionals. As I said earlier in my presentation, it wasn't like a dream as many had, but I am satisfied and happy that I made a decision to pursue this profession.
Now, Greg, you stepped aside as the executive director of SATIIM at a very critical time to pursue a law degree. What does this now mean for the continued struggle of the indigenous community in the South?
In similar way, I worked with the communities prior to going to study law. They will have to be the one to determine whether or not I play a role in the work that I started that is ongoing.
Insofar as what is taking place in the South and the fact that perhaps more and more there's a call for representation at the legal level and otherwise, will you still be actively involved in being able to represent the concerns of the broader community of the South?
Absolutely. That is the intent. I hope to return to Punta Gorda and set up my shingles and carve up my space because that's the area that I'm much familiar with. So yes, I will be returning there and provide my services to the members of the public in the South.
There to provide moral support through his personal and professional journey to becoming an attorney at law was Ch'oc's family. His wife and his indisposed mother remained at his side throughout his pursuit.
It wasn't easy. Having an ailing mom, not having an income, there were times when I had second thought about the decision I took, but failure was not an option for me. As you may be aware, and you've been covering my work over the last 2 decades, that when I depart Belize, it was much publicity regarding my departure. And I'm sure that had I failed, there would have been the same amount of publicity that my departure attracted. So I had to redouble my effort, my commitment, my studies, and having a family home who gave me their emotional support while I was away, taking care of my ailing mom, really assist me in the emotional strength I needed to continue my studies. It's not easy. It's a really difficult undertaking.
Ch'oc returns to Punta Gorda, where he will be establishing his practice. Reporting for News 5, I am Isani Cayetano.